So today I'll be making vegan salmon cakes using hearts of palm in a can. I'm going to use artichoke hearts. I have this vegan not chicken bouillon cube. It tastes delicious. Awesome. Definitely should try it. Just egg because we need the salmon cakes to stick together. Panko, which is my go-to because that definitely helps. Assorted peppercorns, which is delicious. We have a sesame and accent, just a pinch of those. I have minced garlic. I'm also using sage. I'm using onion powder. So now I'm going to put them all together and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Give me a bit. Don't do that. So I started the blender and that was not a good idea. Usually I use my hands. So I just put on my gloves and then I started to mix it with my hands like I usually do. And then I took the gloves off so that way I could form them because I get a better grip when they're in my hand. So as you can see, I sped up the process a little bit and I'm using panko in that plate. And I also put some chives in it as well. So in this next bowl, I have chickpeas, which I soaked for like 5 hours and then boiled for an additional 3 hours, just so that way they could get that texture that I like. So I actually seasoned those. Then I just fried them in some olive oil. And as you can see, they're two different sizes, but the texture and the color is the same. The ones here on the left are made with artichoke hearts and hearts of palm. And the ones on the right is artichoke hearts, hearts of palm, and chickpeas mixed with peppers and onions. I forgot to mention that I did use Obey. So if you want that seafood taste, definitely use a dash of that. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more vegan recipes. And I'll have this recipe down in the description box below.